Hello, Ndewo. Welcome to Igbo Galaxy, where you learn how to read, write, and speak Igbo with ease. Igbo is fascinating to learn and to enjoy. In this video in our Igbo Galaxy, we'll be looking at some members of the family that you must know in Igbo. A quick introduction. Family is the most important institution of every nation and the society at large. We all come from family, hence, it is essential we know some of the most important members of the family in Igbo. To start with, family in Igbo is called Ezinụlọ. Family in Igbo is called Ezinụlọ. So let's kickstart this immediately. The number one most important person you should know in the family is yourself. Or if you turn it the other way, you call it myself. If you are speaking to yourself now in the first person, myself. In Igbo, me or myself is called or mo. Or mo. It is also used in making or showing possession. Olomo, my house. Egum, my money. Chim, my God. Akam, my hand. So, or mo is used to show me or mine in Igbo. The next one is nna, which is father. Nna, father. Nne, mother. Nne, mother. Nwa, child. Nwa, child. So if it is a male child, they call the person nwa nwoke, that is son. Nwa nwoke, son. Nwa nwanyi, daughter. Umunne, sibling. Umunne, sibling. Di, husband. Di, husband. Nwunye, wife. Nwunye, wife. Di na nwunye, couple. Di na nwunye, couple or husband and wife. Nna, grandfather. Nna, grandfather. Nene, grandmother. Nwanne, your aunt or uncle from your mother's side. Nwanne, that is your uncle or aunt from your father's side. As you can remember, nna is father, ne is mother. Nwa nwanne, cousin. Nwa nwanne, cousin. Ogo, in-law. Ogo, in-law. Remember, for you to learn more, please kindly subscribe and click the notification button to get more of our videos. Bye. God bless. Chukwu gozie gị ka emesịa.